What's up, real estate ninja maniacs? Hey, man, I got really just something really cool to show you guys today. Video is real important to me, not only as an agent, but as a creator, right? I've built this channel up, put a lot of video on it, and I'm not going to say that my videos, well, it's not the best videos out there. It's just me, raw, uncensored, right? And I use technology, but there are other creators out there that, man, they got it going on, right? And so, you know, I'm trying to get into the TikTok scene and exploring doing more on Reels, right? And one of the things that stops agents is, we got this little cell phone here, right? And we're sitting there, hey, right? But sometimes our videos can start to get stagnant and dull, and we're like, okay, how do we? There's some of these guys that are doing some really cool tricks. What do I do now? This is not definitive, but I am going to show you guys a killer way to create TikTok videos, YouTube videos, where it looks like you have a green screen, but you don't. And part of the problem that I have, I've got my background behind me. And if I want to go green screen where I add something really nice behind me, I got to go over there, get my stuff, set it up behind me, put the green thing on. And that's why I quit doing a lot of the green screen stuff because it just got to be a hassle. Now, I know that some people split their office. They'll do one side that'll be green screen and then one side that'll be like this, right? I ain't got time for that. I'm busy. So I was playing around today and I stumbled on something that I wanted to share with you guys. And what's great about this is, as real estate agents, this is going to my real estate channel. You can use this to create content that's not even real estate, like whatever your interests are. One of the things that I'm finding, especially on TikTok, is not to always put real estate stuff. What about well, it can be related, but real life stuff like, man, you know, I got to tell you about the worst experience I ever had with a family, right? I got to tell you about this time I went to this city, and right, oh man, you guys have got to check this out. This is the coolest thing of it. These are the types of videos people are searching for. Not always, hey, I'm here in this $3 million home and this pool, and this all looks great. Or some of the creators like, hey, if you're a real estate agent, you really need to buy this thing because it's gonna, right. You guys know what I'm talking about. I'm kind of getting, my ADD is showing right now, but I want to jump in and show you guys a cool way. And we'll talk just TikTok, but you could do this on many video platforms. How to use Canva and your phone to create some amazing videos for your TikTok. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and let me do it right now and show you something that I did and see if we can pull this up. So I'm inside Canva. Now, guys, I have Canva Pro. I think it's like $8 or $10 a month, whatever. Check it out for yourself. Go to Canva if you don't have it. If you don't have Pro, upgrade. It's worth it, right? So what I did is I went into Canva, and let me bring this over here, right there. I told it I wanted to create a design and I wanted to do a TikTok video. And when I did, it sized it perfectly for a TikTok video. And then for this, I'm going to play it for you and show you what I did. For this, I shot a 10-second test video with my phone, uploaded it to my computer, downloaded it so I could bring it over. And I went and found a background of whatever city, right? This background can be whatever your video is talking about can be that background. Get as creative as you want. And with Pro, all you have to do is go to photos and search a keyword, and it brings up just tons of. I think here I put Central Florida, and it brought up I think that might be Tampa, right? So again, whatever you want for your background, boom, you can do there. If you want to go with a solid color background and then do some text on top, you can do that, right? So all I did basically is went to photos and I found a background and brought it over. Here's one that's Central Florida. Check this out. Now, I don't know. Let me see. Send it to back and then replace background. So check that out. I can be on Central Florida, right? So whatever you want for your background, you can put it there. And then like I said, I recorded a quick little test video on my phone, sent it to my computer, downloaded it on my video file, and then uploaded it here. And here's what it looks like. There's the background. Can y'all see here? Can y'all see that background? So once it was done uploading, I simply dragged it over to here. So let me get rid of me. I drug it here. Guys, there's the background. I simply went to edit video and I removed the background. So it's taken a couple seconds and we're going to let this do its thing while it's doing it. Let me come back to me for a minute. And basically after a couple seconds, and we'll go back to it in just a minute, it remove the background, right? Now, do you see this office behind me? That's what I shot with on my phone. So I was really anxious to see how it was going to look. So can you imagine doing a TikTok video using this process, Canva, your phone, and oh, here we go. Are you ready? Here we go. There it is right there, guys. And I can move me around, right? I can resize me. I can bring me down. I can put that over there. I can put this here, there. So it looks like I have arms, but they're off, right? And check this out. All right, this is Kelly doing this video just to see how it's going to look on this thing right here. All right, that's it. This is not bad for not using a green screen. Canvas technology is pretty remarkable. Now, what I'm finding is when you do this, you don't want to be super animated because even though they got great technology, what you don't want to do is flail around or move your head around because it's going to have a hard time differentiating the background with your movement. So when you do this process, try to remain, not like a robot, but try not to go like this or wave your hand or say, hey, what's happening? Whatever. Try to stay away from that, right? But again, just simple way to create a TikTok video by going over here, finding a background, creating your TikTok, just going to create a design, put in the word TikTok, click video, blank canvas, go to you can go to photos or background, whatever. I think I went to photos, and basically all I did was went to pro, apply the filters, and type in whatever you want, right? Type in Disney. I don't know what it's going to give me, but let's see what it does. There you go. And booyah, right? Let's send back and let's replace background. Boom, right? Now I could be talking about, whatever, Disney World. Anyway, guys, that is an amazing technology. And this answered one of the things that I was searching for and how to maybe spice up my videos. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Again, Canva, go get you a pro account. It's very cheap. Make sure you've got a good camera that has good video, and shoot these videos with your camera. Try not to be all moved, like I do. Just be cognizant of that. Upload all of that, remove the background, and you've got something you can share on Reels, on your TikToks. So anyway, tell me what you thought about that. I want to hear your guys' opinion on what you guys thought about this in terms of your video creation. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Tell me what you think. And if you think you've got a better way of doing what I just did, share it in the comments. We grow together. Listen, we collaborate, we don't compete. All right, guys, I will see you